It's fine.
Okay, so what I said over here now, the terminal, if you run, let's say you give your file this variable, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then you use your list obs,
Mm,
and then it runs. And you can check your CASA logger here. So you can see
yeah.
right so over here. Let me just put, do you want me to turn on my video or not?
No, it doesn't really matter whatever you do.
Okay, so just that it's it's me. So start video. Yeah,
I
so
know it's fine.
uh,
I know it's you.
right, right.
Yeah.
So over here, like turn on your video, please,
Mm,
if you want to. Okay, so here you have the measurements. Here you have your begin task, the stops, and it gives you all this data here.
mm.
All right, gives you all this data.
So those
And
are the telescope. Go up a bit. Are those the telescope number of telescopes?
um,
Oh,
yes, like all these are
from one
scans.
to
All these are scans. Like
oh,
you have
those are scans from one
yeah,
to
you have
okay.
your yes, you have your observation. No, I think it's scan one. This is
Scans one, yeah.
the data of
Yeah.
one entire scan. So
Yeah.
here we have so this is from April 2010 to I think it's a
Which
whole day of
yeah,
scan. It's a
which
scan
one is
for a day.
the target here? And which are the calibrators? Um,
Um,
it seems like
I think we here has to do something over here. Here we have
mhm.
resources here, which would be targets and calibration. It's a bit hard to say.
Okay.
Um, to me, it's a little bit hard.
Yeah.
Which one
No,
is
I get you. Yeah.
which one is the targets and the calibrator and
Yeah,
source?
let's just check the one that actually appears more frequent. It should be the target. Mm, And then the one I remember there is a flux calibrator, which is it's either the flux or the phase calibrator, which is done once and then it keeps on alternating between the target and the other calibrator a lot. So yeah, so I'm not sure which one is it now as to, but from the example we can actually see from the task that we do in the tutorial, we can see which one is the calibrator and which one is the one. But I suppose is this the data from the same task?
Yeah, this is the data from the same task.
No, then you should be able to see, just go up. I will be able to tell you which one is the source then. Just go
Yes,
up then. Three, yeah, this one, 3C391C is the source.
this one. Which
Yeah,
one?
that
Which
one. That one
C1?
is the source.
Yeah, why
Yeah.
does the C1, C2, CT, C4
C2, C.
just
Oh, I forgot what he said something about those things. He said C1 and C7. Ah, my goodness, I forgot to put it down. But
okay?
there is a reason for those C1, C7s. There is a reason. He did say it. I just forgot it.
Okay.
But it is not the scans. The scans are one from one to seven. Oh, he said something about
This
oh
is
God, I
I think this is the source and this is the calibration. This is the calibrator,
oh
right?
I think so. Okay.
Yeah, this is the source and this is the calibrator. You just have
And
to look at the
then
numbers very. So the calibrator,
the
like the reason they do the calibration is so that they get the
mhm.
accurate measurements for the entire source.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then we have 26 antennas, then they gave
Yeah.
information like they said that EA 13 and EA 15 not right. Let's look at the list observations. So we
Yeah.
can go up here and say, okay, so this is what we get. Now,
Can you search for those C7, C what from that document? Are they mentioned there? But he did, this guy
uh,
did Explain
Yeah,
it. I just
so
forgot.
we need to look at the PDF here because they give us information. There's a PDF file which gives us some information right
Mm.
here. So yeah, we download the observer log. So yeah, see. So let's look at the observer log. So the observer log. No, 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 no. What am I doing? Hey, come on. So there's some information getting started in CASA.
Yeah, there. I see the
So
C7. There. Which are seven fields? Yeah, those are the fields.
where?
You 3C391, the last one. Just go down there. Just go down with your cursor. No, up again. Up. Where you were? Up again. Up. Yeah, there.
Yeah, which
3C,
one?
the last bullet. Yeah, that
This
one.
one.
Yeah, that one.
3C91C1-7 are the
Exactly.
seven fields.
Which are seven central fields on the surrounding of the supernova ring. So that's for that specific data that we have. So those are the
Yes,
seven fields.
yes, the
Yeah.
seven fields.
Hmm.
So which is the source here now? It's this guy.
Now, so those, I think the source is also mentioned in the same. Let's go to the first bullet and say the second bullet and whatever. I think that's where they
Okay.
explain.
So
Yeah,
this is the calibrator. So this is a calibrator
yeah,
for visibility amplitudes. It's assumed
yeah,
to have precisely known flux density. And
yeah.
this one here is the serves as the calibrator for the visibility phases.
Hmm.
This one's used for the polarization calibrator. And
And
this is
then
your
this means
source.
then that should be the source. Then that's what I was
Yeah.
saying, that it is the source.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I was saying it is the source because it appears more often than yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Um, yeah, I think you can go back to your personal. Uh,
Okay. So
Another
then we
thing that
began our
I,
list stops. So we get this
yeah,
type
yeah,
here, it's not the CASA log.
yeah. That command I also get it. Go down. You can go down. Then this is simply the data that you were just displaying that side. Then yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
So I just want to
Mm.
know, can I, with your permission, put this recording on YouTube?
If you want to, yeah.
Okay.
I don't see any problem with that, man. Yeah,
Yes. Okay.
yeah.
Right. So notice the first, the scans will be used for calibration before scanning the target fields. We want to observe. Note that the antenna IDs, which are numbers sequentially up to the total number of antennas in the array 0 through 25, do not correspond to the actual antenna names, EA1 through
Yeah, yeah,
EA28.
yeah.
Right, so we have all this here.
So
And
this is
you
one
were
is
able
just
to,
to,
yes, you were able to
mm.
plot this
Yeah,
this
yeah. This one
entity.
is, yeah, this one is very simple because it's just giving you the orientation of these telescopes, how they
Yes, but it's
are.
not really numbered, structurally. It's
Mm.
not really numbered in order.
Yeah,
Like it's random. Yes.
yeah.
And that's how the BBLA is because they said it's a Y-shaped configuration.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, agree.
Okay, now this is where things went wrong.
Yeah,
So
that's what I
when
want to
you flag,
understand where what really happened here.
so when you flag the data, you're removing all the
Mhm.
bad points. But
Yeah.
now CASA doesn't know which is a bad point, which is a good point. You have to tell it which is the bad points.
Hmm.
It's not going to just automatically remove the bad points.
Mm.
You're going to have to tell it, okay, this is the bad point that I want you to remove.
Mm.
And I think that was the mistake over here because when you use this command, it takes away all the points. And then when you use
All the
plot
points.
MS, when you use plot MS, you'll see it that there's no plots. It's as blank as a page.
Okay, let me just go through my notes there
Yeah.
because I see what you mean there. So if you run that command, it flags everything. That's what you
Yes,
that's
it
what you
flags
observed.
everything. Yeah, that's what Proper even said. It
Mhm.
flags everything. So you cannot, like, if you use that command, then you won't be able to display your data. You'll have to
Oh,
download
okay.
the file again.
Oh,
Right.
Yeah, input input flag data go input summary action calculate go input go. Oh yeah, that this guy did it differently, but he did specify the scan is one as well. So I
Yes.
that's why I was a bit confused as to why it actually flagged everything because it seems like it was supposed to flag only scan one. But I don't know what really happened there.
CASA don't work like that. CASA don't work like that. You have to
It
tell
doesn't
like,
work like that.
yeah, and
Mm,
I'm sure you've met thousands of people say that.
mm,
You have to tell the computer what to do. You
mm.
cannot just like a computer just does what you tell it to do. It it doesn't.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, that's the truth, man. Yeah, that's
yeah.
the
That
truth.
that that is the truth, the absolute truth.
Mm.
Yeah,
So then I think I'm better with his notes than these tutorial notes that are here.
I wouldn't say
Like
that. I mean,
is
it's very helpful.
some
I'd say it's really, really helpful. So I
mm,
think what we can do right now is we can go to the tutorial and see what he does. Okay.
yeah.
So, mm,
Because he actually flags the data from some of the antennas as well, from what I've
right. So
observed
let's
there.
see.
If maybe one of antenna is not functioning properly, then he also flag the data from it completely.
All right. So CASA tutorial. Um,
So that's scan one, yeah? Is it
yes.
flagging
So
all
so
scan ones for all the antennas, ne? Or is it not?
yes. So this is the video here. This was by Savash Mangla. This is where I'm at.
Hmm.
So can you hear it clearly?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You can play it, then I'll be able to hear it as soon as you play it. Yeah, yeah, I can hear it. I think it's just before this, isn't it?
Right.
Just before this?
I just rewind a few seconds, like 10 seconds back.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's right about
Penguin
there. Yeah.
Robots, three, two,
Those
one, and
ads.
we're gone.
Yeah. Yeah, it's somewhere around here. Yeah. Yeah.
I just turn off my video.
Oh, so this is where it refused to plot your graph, your
uh,
image,
let's see
your data.
now.
I mean.
Look, now we went for it. Beg your pardon, Paul.
Is it where it refused to plot your data there?
Yeah, that
When
bad boy over there, that bad
oh,
boy, like he flags
mm.
everything. So
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
you have to
Yeah.
tell it what to do. So
Mm.
when
How
you
did
look
you
at the
do
video,
it?
that's why you have to analyze your data. You have to see everything.
Mm.
And the flagging is the
Mm.
and the flagging is the hardest part.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, it is the hardest part.
So how did you resolve that problem? How did you solve it?
So what I do first is I ignore this command. I plot it as is and I see okay which points are, you know, noisy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so um let's say plot ms. Okay, so plot ms.
I'm not seeing anything at the moment, ne?
Okay,
If you
uh,
are, yeah, you haven't shared your screen.
oh, okay, can you see everything now?
Uh, I think it will be, yeah, yeah, now I can see everything. Yeah.
Yes. So you can see this is catching.
Yeah.
Okay, goes. And what do we have?
So you first try to visualize the data and then identified points where you think maybe the
Yes,
data is a bit noisy or yeah.
yes. And also look at the CASA log file as well. So now there's nothing
Mm.
at the moment.
Hmm.
Um, let's see if I can wait. Everything in here is so faulty. So look at the tutorial here, right? So and specify what viz is. Viz is you see it plot ms,
Hmm.
right? Oh, let's see. You are familiar with plot ms, right?
Am I?
You are familiar with plot ms, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know how to use it. Plot MS, yeah. So it's simply like plot MS is like you visualizing the data itself. Um,
Yes,
yes.
that's
Instead of
correct.
instead of just looking at the data from the table that
What's going
you
on
use it,
now? I don't know what's going on
because
here.
maybe you haven't flagged yet anything. I don't know.
More scripts. This thing is
Let
faulty.
me check. Let me check from my notes here. Just type default plot MS.
Oh yes, thanks now.
Yeah,
So default, now it's coming back. So default plot
plot MS.
ms
Yeah.
inp. Oh, battery is low. So let me just go and put it on.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Yeah. Still that one down. Okay, so see we set our bus equals to 3. And then what we do here is then we type go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if it captures. It's catching. If it doesn't, then I'll have to download the data again.
No, I will give you the commands. I still have them on my side. So according to what you've just typed, I think it will go through.
Yes.
Unless you forgot maybe one step or somewhere. But it will inform us then very soon. I think it will be fine.
So you have to set the task to default.
Yeah, let's see.
Crazy now.
Uh,
Great.
No, so type this, type default plot ms and then input, it will show you everything. After you type VIS and then that data name, and then input again and then go. And then INP, but it's not really necessary because yeah, INP, and then VIS, and then equals to data name, equals to that data name, like yeah, VIS equals to yeah, that three what yeah, and then yeah, and then INP again, and then go.
Uh,
Hmm.
oh, nothing.
No, something is weird. Or does it want you to do the to put all the inputs first? I don't
Yes,
know.
yes,
Action,
that's what it
apply,
wants.
mode, manual.
Yes, yes, precisely.
Yeah.
Running out of
Ticket,
time.
flag data. What?
Can't wait today. Wait. Now let me just pause with this thing. I know this
No, man, it
mess.
makes sense now.
Yes.
It makes
I
sense
know this
what
is
why it's
messy,
doing
but
that. Yeah.
okay.
It makes perfect sense.
So, all right. So then, first of all, you have to first clear stat, which means you. Oh, wait, now I get what's wrong. You have to remove any existing locks in this table in the table because it.
Yeah, it might be that. Did you close that file? Remember that file? The one that shows all the data. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, just do that, yeah.
Yes. Then your
You know, there's a
default.
file that you open that shows all the data, everything, with the table and everything.
Yeah.
I think I did note it in my notes here. Let me just say. Blah, 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 blah. Oh,
Okay. Average scan. Average baseline. So what are we doing here?
so the data visualization, no, it's not a data visualization. Yeah, no, I'm wrong about that. Yeah. It's that data table that has everything. No, you're fine. You're right. You're right the way you're doing it. I can see exactly what clear stats. So try that clear stat as you did, and let's see how it goes.
This equals to this. Check the INPs there. Check the INPs there.
Hmm.
The data select data is true. Let's check to see if select data is true. So select. Oh, it's one word or yeah, it's one word. Select data. Select data. True. Let's set that true. Select data equals to true.
Hmm.
Okay. All these inputs you do. So we set them. The mode is the correlation is RRL
Polarization there.
correlation
Yeah.
is equal to RR. These are
Spelling
the
there. Yeah, you just check the spelling there, correlation.
oh wait.
Is it okay? Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And we get spelling bee, right? I used to get spelling. I used to get 10 out of 10 for spelling bees. Now look at correlation is RRL. Those are the polarization states. So it's double R and an L. Let's check that bad boy out. Ah, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Average data is true. Okay. Average data is true. What's happening?
Nothing. Maybe you're
Must be
typing
morning.
faster.
That's what
Hmm.
average channel is 64. So did you wish your moms and sisters happy Women's Day?
Yeah, 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 I did, man. The first thing in the
Yeah.
morning, man. Yeah, I did that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What time you
Mm.
woke up?
But you, your mom?
Yeah, I did. I even put it on my status there.
That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful.
Oh, no, no, no. Average
Yeah.
channel is equal to 64.
Mm.
Let's check our inputs so far.
Yeah,
So
I think so far you're doing fine.
let's check to see. It's the field is true. Correlation is RRL. Average channel is 64. Okay. So let's see. Where else we got? What else we got? Color axis is field.
Yeah.
Okay, so color. I don't know why
Yeah,
American.
yeah, I
I don't
think
know.
it's for those polarization colors. Remember, there's RR and LL. So apparently they have different colors that they are assigned to.
But now we can go.
Mm. Mm. Then if you can solve it, that should be something that we are working on now. And then to try to solve it because we have to solve it either way. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Something. Yeah.
So this is what we got.
So
So yeah,
he
that's
said
all I got.
something that is very important there. What is that black thing there?
This one
I think he said it's
or that one.
something. Yeah, yeah, that one, the first one, the big one.
Yeah, I think this is this one or that one.
The
This one.
first one, yeah, yeah.
So this black thing, I don't know what the whatever that is. Looks these are just data points. But now if you look at it here, you can see like these noisy data points here, like these what these points look off. They look
Yeah,
iffy.
because he did give colors to them. He said the other one, the pink one is either the flux calibrator, the other one is the amplitude calibrator, and the other one is the source. So
Yes.
I just forgot I just forgot which colors are for which. So those are the things that should be going to the nose because now that you are reminding me, then those things should be in my nose then. So those are the things that I forget. So I think those are the ones that have to go to my notes.
Okay.
Yeah, because he did mention the colors, other one for the calibrated, other one for the amplitude calibrator
So
and what.
these are calibrators, which is the source.
Hmm. I think the source is the green one. I just think so. And the pink one, I forgot if maybe it's the amplitude or the phase or the flux calibrator.
You can't
One
get
of
anything
those.
from this, yeah. Can't get anything from this. What is this anyway?
Uh, there's the amplitude there. Yeah, just go back to your graph. It gave us the amplitude. They see the on the y-axis is the amplitude, on the x-axis is the time.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's what
So
you are having
can
there.
actually, so what is this? What is this?
The I really don't know.
Mhm.
Uh Obviously this is times, and then that means it is switching between those times there from 8 seconds there to if you see the time on the x-axis there, so it is switching in between the times there. The other time is within the watching this calibrator. The other time is watching the source. The other time is watching the the target. The other time is watching the other calibrator there. So it's switching in between the calibrator, target, calibrator, target, calibrator, target, but with the difference
So the big
of
one is the
amplitude there.
source because it stays constant throughout the time.
Okay, okay,
That's I guess. So over here,
okay.
these are fluctuations, like these are calibrators over here. But you don't have to
Yeah,
take for it. So these are
yeah,
the noisy data points right here, all these noisy points. And this one,
yeah.
well, this one probably is a noisy. This one is noisy, looks noisy to
It's a
me.
noise. Yeah.
This one looks noisy. This one definitely is noisy.
So that means
So
this is only for the amplitude then. So this is that for the amplitude.
yeah,
When they say amplitude, I want
let's
to
see what
understand when they
happens
say
if we
amplitude.
summarize over 60 channels. Let's see what that would look like. Okay, so we have to wait for this thing to load.